Next question, question 37. Sam put a mouse into a sealed tank as shown below. So you have a sensor to detect gas W, then there's a wheel for the mouse to run on, and then there's a sensor to monitor the heart rate of the mouse, and it's all in a sealed tank. So he measured the amount of gas W present in the tank and the heart rate of the mouse over a period of time and recorded them in the table below. So as you can see, at first gas W, there's 100 units of it, and then it eventually decreases over time, while the heart rate is increasing over time. So the question is, what could gas W be? So this is the question, right? So we know that gas W decreases as time goes by, right? And then but the heart rate increases. What could gas W be? Well, we know that the mouse is a living thing, alright, and gas W is probably most likely oxygen, right? So oxygen is gas W. Why? Because living things, mammals, they need oxygen to live. Alright, so gas W is oxygen. State the relationship between the heart rate of the mouse. So this way is very important, okay? So you need to identify the heart rate between what? Between the heart rate of the mouse and between the amount of gas W. So you must have both in your answer. Okay, in your answer you must have both, right? So what is the relationship? As the heart rate increases, or as the heart rate, uh, as the gas, is it? As the sorry, it must be the other way around. As the amount, you must always put the cause first, before the effect. So in this case, the cause is as the amount of gas W, alright, decreases, comma, the amount of or the heart rate of the mouse increases. See, alright, or you can also say the other way around. Uh, the more or the lesser, you can also say things like, or you can also say, I'm giving you an alternative answer, right? Uh, the the lesser, right? The of amount of gas W, right? The greater or the more the heart rate of the mouse. Also can. So either one, uh, as long as it shows that you understood how to read the graph, then you get the marks. Next one. Sam observed that when the mouse ran on the wheel, its heart rate increased, right? Why? Why does the heart rate of the mice increase when it's running over the wheel? Okay, so it's quite a fairly common question. Alright, so the heart, the mouse, the mouse's heart needs what? Needs to pump what? Needs to pump harder, right? Or harder or faster. Okay, let's use faster. Again, needs to pump faster. Okay, to transport uh, blood containing oxygen, okay, and digested food. Okay, and digested food. Okay, so the mouse's heart needs to pump faster to transport more blood containing oxygen and digested food, right, to all parts of the body, especially the muscles, right, to so that to release more energy, isn't it? For it to for it to run, right? Or for it to run. Okay, so the mouse's heart needs to pump. So what is the claim? The claim is its heart rate increase when it's running. So that's the claim, right? So the claim, you don't have to write it anymore because the claim is in the question, right? So this is the claim. So what is the evidence? The evidence is scientific fact. All right. So this is the evidence. Heart to pump faster. All right. To transport more blood containing oxygen and digested food to all parts of the body. So why? Why does it need to pump faster? Because it needs to release more energy for it to run. Alright. So where's the compare? The compare is needs to pump faster. Right. Transport more, change different color. Transport more, right? Wait, transport more blood into all parts of the body to release more energy. So you can see the compare is in the, the claim is in there. The compare, you use the comparing words. You use the evidence, right? The scientific fact that we know, right? And then you answered. So why, right? So the reason lah. So you said to release more energy for each run. Okay, so this is a very easy question again. If you have revised and paid attention in class, so the answer is quite obvious. Okay, so do look at it again. Do look at the video again. We looked it or look it from or watch it from the start. Yeah, if you don't understand, okay, because this is a very common question, so you need to understand. It could be a hamster running, it could be any other animals, it could be you on a treadmill. Okay, so the question is quite easy, it's quite common. We will change the question a bit here and there, but it's best that you understand. Okay, so with that, thank you very much.